Well, folks, it's that time of year again. There's that word that I dread so much. Tornado. Don't like that. So I haven't looked at the weather for a while, so I decided to see if there's any rain forecast for tomorrow, and this is what I see. Oh, goody, goody, goody. A threat for spring severe weather developing for parts of southern Ontario on Thursday. As a dynamic weather system tracks across the Great Lakes region, the ingredients come together. Storms Thursday afternoon and evening will have the potential to produce strong winds, hail, and even isolated tornadoes, in addition to localized heavy downpours. So, thankfully, if there's any good news in this, is we are not in the tornado zone. Thankfully, I'm like right about in here. But that doesn't mean we're not going to get it, because as we read on, a surface low pressure system developing central U.S. on Wednesday will track into the Great Lakes region by Thursday afternoon. This system will be accompanied by a surge of warm, moist air, which will push north towards the Canadian border behind a sharp warm front. Okay. Warm front will be a critical element in Thursday's forecast, as its position will determine who sees the greatest severe weather threat. So, not guaranteed yet. South of the warm front on Thursday, surface temperatures will climb well into the teens and even low 20s with southwesterly winds. This will help build the instability needed to fuel severe thunderstorms. North of the front, showers and easterly winds will keep temperatures stalled in the single digits, which will limit instability and storm temperature or potential. Sorry, I was kind of reading ahead. So that's good news, I hope. The front will be marked by a zone of very sharp temperature contrast across southern Ontario Thursday afternoon, and we'll be watching closely to see exactly where it sets up. So will I. If the warm front stalls south of the US border, which I'm hoping, the severe storm potential for southern Ontario will be significantly reduced. However, if it surges farther north than expected, storms could impact a larger area. That's what I mean. We're not totally in the clear yet, because it's really not exactly pinpointed where all this is going to happen. If enough instability does build through the afternoon, the environment will favor the development of strong to severe storms. Oh, I can't speak tonight. Strong to severe storms on Thursday. Strong winds aloft will provide ample wind shear, and the vertical temperature profile supports powerful updrafts capable of producing lightning and even hail. So I'm looking here, and if this is where the biggest risk is going to be, and I am right up in here, right about there. So as long as it stays down here, I will be happy. Showers across the showers across the region Thursday morning will push north with the warm front, allowing some clearing to the south as temperatures climb. By early afternoon, storm cells are expected to break out across parts of Indiana and Michigan along and ahead of the advancing cold front. Given the wind profile, these cells will likely organize into a squall line, which will track east through the afternoon and evening. The line of storms will likely push into southwestern Ontario early afternoon, although the timing may change slightly depending on how things play out tomorrow, which is actually today. Yeah. South of the warm front is where the greatest threat will be. Storms will likely produce strong wind gusts, heavy downpours, and lightning. Stronger cells will also be capable of producing hail. There will be a potential for isolated tornadoes on Thursday as well, particularly near the warm front where low-level wind shear will be maximized. Any storms that show signs of rotation will need to be monitored closely for tornado potential. Storms should diminish intensity through the overnight hours on Thursday as the system continues to shift east, giving way to clearing and more seasonal temperatures on Friday. Overnight hours. Yeah, I hate evening storms because I can't see what the clouds look like, the severity of what's coming. The only real indication I have of really severe weather is basically the constant lightning. That's usually a good indication. So this is what I'm looking at for today. I will be watching this very closely. I might actually go to bed early tonight, so I can be up, see what's going on. I had plans for tomorrow, but apparently my plans are going to be changed now, as I will be keeping an eye on this in the morning. When I get up, hopefully I'll be getting up in the morning. Yeah. That's the only part I don't like about the springtime and the summertime, is these tornadoes. So I'll let you know what's going on, whether we got anything or not, and hopefully if we still have hydro then I'll be able to. So we'll see what happens.